In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. If you wanna clean your Photos app but you don't want to click on every photo and delete it, I got you. All you need to do is go into Photos and decide if you wish to delete them from Photos or Collections at the bottom. Let's start with Photos. Tap on them at the bottom left corner. Hold one of your pictures to get rid of, and to delete multiple right away, use those icons at the top right corners. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from collections, pick any album from which you want to get rid of your photos. Hold one. Use the same icons at the top right corners, and this time tap on bin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!